Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. As you can see, we're backstage here in Cancun, Mexico. Took a little seniors trip, and today it is rainy and overcasty, so I'm unable to do a video out by the ocean, but I still need a shave. So we're gonna do it here in the bathroom, and if you can see the crazy effect of the camera reproducing itself in the mirror behind me. This bathroom is set up kind of weird. It's got two sinks and two, for everybody to get ready and so on. So anyway, today's shave soap is going to be Droid Black. Now, this is the splash, but I've been meaning to make a little travel kit, but this is the soap I've been using in the last few videos on my vacations. I used a ice cream scooper, which is pretty close to 1/4 teaspoon. I'm using the Dollar Tree Travel Dog Water Bowl, and I've got that already whipped up here, and it smells nice. I had no issues lathering up in the smooth bottom bowl. It worked really great. And I'm going to be using this Semouge, I believe it's the 830 Boar brush, and that's all I got to say about that. Probably only going to do one video while I'm down here. I don't know. I may do another one. It's hard to say. You just never know. And I'm looking at the camera differently. In my bathroom, I'm facing this way, and so it's all a little bit different. But I forgot my suction cup mirror mount, and so there's like a facial mirror that's on an arm. I don't know if you can see it. You can't see it in there. I have the mirror turned sideways and my tripod setting on top of it. You gotta make do when you're doing shave videos while you're on vacation. All right, and I'm using the trusty Gillette silver blue blade in my Gamechanger .84 solid bar. Go ahead and warm up the razor. I have the blade already loaded in it. Let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. You know, when you're in tropical environments, there's usually a short rainstorm off and on throughout the day or in the afternoons. And I need to get going and do this today. And I'm not going to wait around too much, because once I leave my room, it's time to do other activities. This resort that we're at is called Planet Hollywood, and it's the first time that I've been to this actual resort, and every resort has been a little bit different. And I'm really hoping the room cleaning lady doesn't come and interrupt the shave video. So I'll probably try to move quickly here. Do you notice the speed? So what's going on with you guys? Anything new? Pass number 2, across the grain, but I gotta get lathered up first. What a nice scent. I don't think the water is as hard here as the last place we were at, because I didn't have any problems with the amount of soap and water ratio. It's kind of hard to see the Had a little bit of sinus stuff going on before I left, and I thought the ocean air and all would clear it up, but I don't know if it's just because of the humidity and the air conditioned part not improving very much. Usually if I have any kind of allergy stuff going on and I come down here in that first day, it's all gone. Super nice, and then you get back home and you're reintroduced to all the allergens and stuff in the air. I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and I'll be right back. I am back, and I did not bring my Lancaster black sheep towel. I'm just using a hand towel here at the resort. And luckily I did refill this Splash sample bottle. After the last vacation, I was down to just the very, very bottom there. It's so hard to measure that out. I need a little more. There we go. And to top that off, I've got a travel bottle full of star jelly. Probably that much will do me. Oh yeah. Nice and smooth. All right, well, that's going to be the shave for me today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will catch you on the next shave video. You have a great one.